insert a new node in linked list. I will consider 3 nodes here in my list. The last node, last field, I store null field. So the value of this node is 10, 20 and 30. So you have a list like this. Now I will consider 3 positions: insert at the beginning, insert at the end, insert in the middle. Right? So I am going to insert a new node at the beginning. So this is my new node. The value of this node is, I will store 0, 5, and this node will have null field in the field of link. Right? Now I am going to insert a new node at the beginning. Now this is my start node. According to this, if I insert a new node here. Right? So in a list, always start pointer will point this first node. Alright? So if I insert this node here, this will be the first node. Before that, you have to create a link between this node as well as this node. So how can we create? So we have to assign new node dot link. Already we have null value. So we are going to replace this null value by this node address. Then only after this node will come. So this node will point this node. Right? So how can I get address of this node? I have one pointer pointing this node called start. Right? So the new node link field, we are going to store the address of start node. Right? So what is the statement? New node link, we are going to store the address of start. Okay. Now we have created a link. Right? The start node address may be 101. So the 101 will store here. Right? So now after this node and this node will come. Okay. This is coming. But what is my first node? This will be the first node in this list. First node, second node and third node and fourth node. But my start position, the start pointer is pointing this node. Now it is second node. I have to bring my start pointer from here to here. So how can I bring? What is my start pointer value? 101. So if I bring this pointer from here to here, whatever the address node, this may be 100. Right? So I have to store this value in my start, then start will point this. Right? So how can I get this 100? Address of NN will have 100. So that value we are going to store in start pointer. So automatically the start pointer will come from here to here. Now the value of start is 100. The start pointer will point this node. This is first node, second node, third node and fourth. So now we have inserted a new node at the beginning. This node is 1 or 2, this node is 1 or 2. Right? Now we are going to insert a new node at the end. This value is 40. In link field I assign null value. This is my new node. The address of this one is 104. Alright? So now after this new node has to come. This will be the fourth node and I have to indicate this is my last node. Right? But first what I have to do, I have to create a link between this node and this node. Alright? So I have to bring one pointer. This is always pointing this stuff. So you should not touch this pointer, right? I have to use one more pointer. I start from here, I have to bring one more pointer from here to here. Till nth node I have to bring that pointer. From that pointer link we have to attach this, right? So what pointer I am going to use? I'll use current node for this node. So I have to bring till end. So how I have to bring it? First, I know only start pointer. How can I bring? The start pointer will assign to current node. The start pointer, the address of start pointer will assign to one more pointer named called current node. So now current node and start pointer will have same value 1 or 2, right? Now I have to move this current pointer from here to here and here to here till end. So how I can identify that is the last node. Till end I have to bring this current node. How can I indicate? How can I get that is my last node, right? So we have to give one condition while current node reach last node. How can I identify? Current node link is not equal to null. Now you check. Current node dot link, this link is not equal to null. Yes. What will be the value here? This will be 102. This will be 103. Address of this node will store here. Address of this node will store here. In that case, this is not equal to null. This is 102. So this condition becomes true now. In that case, we are going to move this pointer from here to here. So how can I move? Now my current value is 101. So if I assign 102 to this current node, the current node will move from here to here, right? So how can I move? How can I get address of this? Address of this I have stored here, right? So current dot link I have current dot link current node dot link I have 102 that will assign to current node. So what will be the value before? Current node, simply current node value was 101. Now we are going to replace 101 by 102 because current node link we have 102. So this value will be assigned to current node. Means what? The current node, instead of 101, the current node will point 102. Means what? The current node pointer will move from here to here, right? Again, the while loop will continue. Now current node dot link is not equal to null. Yes, this is not equal to null. So again we are moving current node from here to here. Now the current node link we have 103. Now 102 will be replaced by 103. So the current node will move from here to here. Now again the while loop will continue. Now current node dot link will have null value. Now this is equal to null. Now this is false now. So the loop will terminate. Here current node link we are going to attach new node. So after this loop, current node dot link we have null value. That value will be replaced by the address of new node. Right? Address of new node is 104. So 104 will be assigned here. So this node will link with this node. So already we have stored null value. So null indicates that is the last node in the list. right? So now we added one node, new node at the end.